So recently, this happened with me. I had, on Insta, we have all this clothing, apparels coming up. I clicked, I got my data is given, and then I make the payment, and then I receive the parcel as well. But then the parcel I got and what is done, they're not the same, and it is not that no my 2,000 rupees or say 3,000 whatever I have given. I mean, I can't even claim back because I wrote an email to that person, but there's no reply. And whatever is done, and after which, when I was looking through the, searching for it, I did not get any message. Once the delivery had happened, then I see a lot of memes and other things saying that this is a fraud thing. So this did not happen before. Well, once it happens, and then the chronology that it is happening, it is in a certain way. And then later I understood, okay, 2000 is gone. So as an individual, per se, one day, for one person it is the propensity for how many people in India would have got, so per day that person must be making a lot of money. So that's where the 500 crores.
Yeah, so true. So see, whenever you are doing any kind of a shopping, please go search on the Google and then get the ID. Don't go directly on it. So that way at least you'll get, because many of the IDs are created which are very very similar to the original company ID, and it would be difficult for you to guess it. So it's better to go onto the Google and then get that ID and click it and all and do it. So see, that kind of is a very smaller scam. I've seen others also where they claim some kind of, especially for apparels, and you buy but the product comes out is very poor, which is a typical kind of a thing. Not the one which is coming from now. For us, the fraud is happening from abroad. It's not happening from India. I don't know how many of you have seen Jamtara.
Yeah.
So now Jamtara is actually Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos. That's the area from where it has shifted, and they call from those places. Not very rarely now we have within the India that's happening. So those are the major crimes. ये तो छोटे मोटा है जो these are that normal kind of crime. जैसे आप you expect, you used to go to a shop and that fellow used to say that he's probably selling you a designer wear but he's selling you a fake और a seconds का माल. ये वैसा है आपका छोटा वाला. बड़े वाले वो हैं जो digital arrest करते हैं आपका. They are the bigger ones.
But do they like one of my friends, I don't know if she's here, Poonam, but she was very like Poonam, I think you should talk about it. She was called and they in some way kind of mesmerize you or something. She's a teacher. She was seeing them on the phone.
आपका digital arrest हुआ आपका. ऐसा वैसा दे यार.
नहीं कुछ नहीं वो because my husband came and वो सब कुछ ये अपना आधार कार्ड का नंबर भी दे दिया. नहीं देने वाला.
So see, so the issue is that nobody is hypnotizing. The issue is that they are engaging so much with you that they build that. This happens. It's not trust. Fear. So cybercrime happens either because of fear, or either because of greed. Your greed for quick money. Yes. Yeah. Or it is because of fear. So they would call up and tell you that you are involved in some XYZ case. अब मतलब अब आपको बोलेंगे हर्षद मेहता के केस या आपको बोलेंगे किंगफिशर के केस में. अब आपको किंगफिशर वाले का फोटो मतलब कि आप जिंदगी में कभी किंगफिशर वाले के बारे में आपको नहीं पता होगा, ठीक है, बट यू फील दैट ओके या माय मनी माइट हैव, माय नेम कुड हैव कम. Why? I mean, how can it happen? Because they don't name chota mota, they will name like this big one scams and they say your money is involved. Why do we believe that? So they're not hypnotizing. What they create is a thing like they create fear. And when you are in fear, it is like that, you get into that fight versus flight mode. Right? That is what is happening. No fault of yours. No fault of yours. But that is why, I suggest to everyone, and probably I can close with that, is that talk about these things when you are sitting together.
Correct.
Because, and let it be a dining table conversation. Because the more we talk about it, the more we hear stories, the more we know about it, it comes into your normal system. I tell that, for example, when we were in training, they used to make us much practice for shooting. शूटिंग बट इतना मतलब यू यूज्ड टू बी फेड अप कि क्यों इतना गोली चला रहा है, कितनों को तो हमें मारना ही है बाहर जाके, बट इतना प्रैक्टिस. बट व्हाई वाज it was reason is to build it into your muscle memory. And the other thing is, like our Ustad used to say कि भाई, you know that you've taken out the magazine from the pistol and there is no bullet in it, but he would still insist कि पिस्टल को ऐसे ही रखना है, उसको ये नहीं करना, इधर नहीं पॉइंट करना, इतना नहीं करना. क्यों? Is that it builds into your muscle memory, so that if any time it happens, that will become your voluntary reaction. You do involuntary reaction. It's not that something you'll have to think. So if after so many years, if I have a pistol with me, I know how I'm supposed to be. Even if it is there, I will not point to anybody. If I have to use, I know how I will use it. It will come automatically. That is the importance of this thing. Keep talking about it. Because hearing from each other, it comes into your memory. Say, nahi, phone hai, nahi uthao. Let it get on. I'll call back. होगा कोई तो पता चल जाएगा. लिंक है तो नहीं प्रेस कर. वीडियो कॉल पे आने के लिए बोला, कोई वीडियो कॉल पे हम अपने रिश्तेदारों से बात नहीं करेंगे यार, हम पुलिस वाले से क्यों बात करेंगे? उसको बोलो पुलिस स्टेशन आते. I am in my Banjara Hills police station is my closest police station. I'm going to police station. You come and arrest me, or you take my money at police station. Why not? You haven't done anything wrong. Why do we get afraid? Let's say, yeah.
In our family, what we have done is, because of this voice fake,
Yeah.
then we get from my daughter's phone the message is coming that mommy, I need money, and even the call coming, which is like Nishna's voice, my daughter's name.
Yeah, got that.
So in our family, what we have done is we have decided a family code. So
Good idea.
whenever
We've done the same thing.
my brother is calling that I'm in distress, send me money. Everyone talks on the table that we immediately need to ask, okay, tell us the code.
Yeah.
That's a family code.
Yeah, yes. You said, even we decided on it. It could be anything. You could get a call saying from your child saying that I'm in the middle of an accident, and I just immediately send, and you would say, why are you not calling for your phone? So he said, no, somebody वो मुझे बचाने आया, उसके phone पे बात कर रहा हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ. Anybody could be. So it is. I don't know, right? But I'll tell you a real incident, and I think I should close. Which goes, this is somebody known to us. So he's traveling in the car. His son is driving the car. He's sitting next to him. His daughter and wife are sitting on the passenger seats behind him. He receives a call from someone saying that his daughter is, and their business people, daughter is involved in some sort of case, and she is being taken to the police station. And he is engaging with him. कि क्यों उसने क्या कर दिया? क्यों लेके जा रहे हैं पुलिस स्टेशन? आप कौन बोल रहे हैं? आप कहाँ कर रहे हैं? And he's taking a नहीं कैसे लेके? He's talking like that. And then his wife taps him from the back and saying कि जरा पीछे मुड़ कर देखिए. Daughter उस गाड़ी में ही तो बैठी. Right. So this is how, I mean, imagine the psychology. You know, because this is something where they touch your emotion. You're talking about your daughter and she's being taken away by the police. You know, so आपका मतलब से कहता है सुध बुध भूल जाते हैं. तो आप suddenly you say कि क्यों लेके जा रहे हो, तो पीछे बैठे. And this is a real life incident.
Now, any normal person in customs is calling that the parcel has come in lorry. Any normal person will get scared.
मैंने ऑर्डर ही नहीं किया, तो मुझे कौन सुना रहा है?
And if our audit was he was smiling, like that's the fear.
So let him use. See, if you have to realize that we not here the millions. If the police is not a million. If somebody has used your name even to genuinely send a drug or something, come to us. We will investigate and tell. We know that you are coming to us telling that I have not done it. Of course, we are there to do that. So let's not. If somebody has sent, you say, okay, send it. We'll see. We'll see at the local police station. We'll work out there. We very different now. Policing is very different from what it used to be 30 years back when I joined. And phone पे policing नहीं होती. Let's be very clear. Policing happens physically. आमने सामने across the table.
How to identify the artificial intelligence and the there are two of them. So one is correct and one is bad. One is false.
What?
So how
What?
to identify the artificial
एक
intelligence?
उसमें AI में क्या
Messages,
update है? messages don't come from AI. AI is usually used for
But
to create a
they-
voice or
but-
video or a photograph or something. It is easier. It is कुछ चीजें होती हैं अब इतना डिटेल बताना मुश्किल है ये बट द लास्ट सजेशन है कि हम लोग फोन पे बहुत कुछ सर्च करते हैं चैट जीपीटी पे भी बहुत कुछ सर्च करते हैं ना सर्च प्लीज चैट जीपीटी पे ये सर्च कर लें कि क्या क्या साइबर क्राइम हो रहे हैं और उनसे कैसे अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करना है स्पेंड 5 minutes फॉर दैट
Thank you.